Hey everyone! So I've had a lot of people ask me how I do my brows. So this week I'm going to keep it short and sweet and I'm going to show you my eyebrow routine. I'm going to start by taking my spoolie brush and brush out my eyebrows. And then I'll take my angled liner brush and use Anastasia Dipbrow in the shade Blonde. I'm going to line and shape out the bottom of my eyebrows and fill it in a little bit using hair-like strokes. Oh, we have a special guest. It's Fuzzy. My sweet kitty. She loves coming up and watching me. And then I'm going to line out the top of my eyebrow, making sure I'm using lighter strokes up at the front of my brow. Next, I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape Foundation and one of my flat foundation brushes to carve out the shape of my eyebrow. Now I'm going to go back in with that same angled liner brush and finish off the shape to make it look more crisp. As I promised, this week is short and sweet. Don't really have any announcements, but as always, you can like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And what I want all of you to do for next week's video, I want you to put a comment on what you want to see me do, what kind of look you want to see me create for next week's video. Like I said, as always, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.